guys, today we are replacing the rocker cover gasket and the half moon gasket. Come on. Okay, first thing in order, we need to take away everything here, blocking the rocker cover. So if you come close, you will have to disconnect this vacuum line. You will have to take this apart, unplug all the coil packs, take off this cover, undo the bolts holding the cover, and then take it out. So let's start. Okay, let's start by taking off this line. Okay, now we want to remove the blow-off valve. So I'll just open up this
Screw.
screw and take it out.
Oh.
And I'll undo this line here, this vacuum line, and
וחזק.
seal it aside. Okay, now we want to undo this 10mm bolt for the ground for the coil packs. Let's unplug the coil packs wiring. Okay, now that we undid the plug for the coil pack, let's take the coil packs out. Undo the timing belt cover here, just the clip here, the clip here. And now we can start opening up the bolts. We have 3 here, we have 3 here in the middle, and we have 3 back here. So let's start undoing them. They are all 10mm bolts. Now that we did unbolted all the nuts, we took everything here, we can take it out. Just give it a little push and a wiggle.
חוט אצלי.
And it's out.
Oh my god.
למה לא עזרת אותי?
That's the problem.
Okay, now let's take off the old gasket. Okay, now the next step, we want to take off the VVT gaskets here in the half moon. So we need this special tool. I bought it off Amazon. I'll send the link. We put it right here. We have this hole here. סליחה, לא, פה. כן, יש פה. בוא תביא את המצלמה. We put it in the hole here.
תרחיק קצת. כן.
איפה? פה. יש לנו גם איפה להבריג את זה. Be careful because you don't want to ruin the threads. Don't overdo it. See, there's slack here now. Now we want to undo these 4 bolts. We have 1, 2, 3, and this one here, the 4th. And they are all T30 screws. So let's just undo them. We have enough slack here to move it around. So let's take off the first gasket here. The first one is out. Very brittle, very dry. You can see the half moon here, the green one. Just take it out. Okay, now let's put the new gaskets in. Let's start with the half moon. So you just need to put it in by feel. There's a place for it to sit. And it's going in by feel. After putting the new gaskets in, let's screw the bolts. Now undo the special tool we bolted earlier. Put in the new middle gasket here. Now we need to put some RTV in all the corners where it bends. So we have one here, one here, one here, one on the other side, and where it gets like the half turn inside. So let's put just a little bit. After applying the RTV, Let's put the new gasket in. Now it's the chance to clean the rocker cover a bit. So we just use some spray cleaner. Let's put it back inside.
Go.
Okay guys, after putting the cover back on, make sure you close the nuts with an X cutter. So start here, then there, like an X, to make sure it's sitting tight. And that's it, put everything you took off back in the reverse order. And that's all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing, and see you in the next one.